how are you? How is your day going so far?
Ma'am, I am fine and it is nothing special. It is going on normal day. Ma'am, how about you, ma'am?
Yes, even my day is normal, nothing special as well. Okay, so before we jump into the conversation, tell me where you're from, what do you do? Tell me a little bit about yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, giving this opportunity to me and introduce myself in front of you. And it is honor to me also, ma'am. I am Zakir Hussain. I am belong from Kodbir district, which is located in West Bengal, and I am working
Okay.
with West Bengal Police. I have completed my 7 years service in police. If I talk about my educational qualification, I have completed my graduation in Bengali literature. And if I talk about my family member, there are 6 members, including me, my parents, brother, my wife, and daughter. And this is little information about me, ma'am.
Oh, okay. When I first saw you, I thought you're a student or something. But you tell me you're working and you have 7 years of experience, you're married and you have a daughter. Okay,
Ma'am.
right. Okay, so I think you mailed me, right? For just 1 second, please.
Yes,
One
ma'am.
second.
Yes.
Told that earlier I used to use very simple vocabulary and you were requesting, right?
Yes,
Tell me
ma'am.
about that.
Ma'am, in earlier video I noticed it. In earlier video you have always use simple word, and which is we can understand very easily, and it is very helpful for every co-learner like me, because at the beginning stage we need simple word, and we can focus our opinion in simple things, simple way. So, ma'am, that's why I am requesting to you always use simple word, which is very essential for every co-learner.
Okay, I got that. Maybe I was also thinking that people might say that you are using the same kind of English from your first video. So we are not getting any new things from you. Some people might have expectations, right? So I don't know, maybe I thought people will learn new words when they listen to the conversation. I was not doing it consciously and I don't even remember. But okay, I'll try my best to use simple language, as simple as possible.
Ma'am, according to me, who start learning speaking English, that person will need simple things at the beginning level. Because, ma'am, we are reading simple word in our academic school, like 10 standard, 5 standard, and we are familiar with simple word. That's why I am telling you, simple word is very important for us. For beginner, who cross the beginning level like intermediate, who can move forward for advanced word.
Yeah, okay, I understand that. Tell me, is English essential in your workforce? You work for the police, right? So, how important is it that you speak in English?
Ma'am, English is not important. One incident happened in my life in 2023. India host G20. There was a meeting in Shiliguri about tourism department. As a police person, I was security there, and so many delegates came from various countries, and they speak is only one language, that is English. And I think 2 person they from European country, they asked me something in English. That time I could not speak with them in English, so that time I promise with myself one day I will be able to speak in English. That's why I am learning this language. There is no special reason behind.
It's okay. It is important. One way or the other, English speaking is going to help you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Tell me how exactly, from how many days or months you are practicing speaking English?
Ma'am, in 2024, I start my journey, but after when election coming, that time I stop it, fully stop for Lok Sabha election. So after in September, I start again to improve myself. I face lot of problem like environment. Even I have no partner with whom I practice and I improve my speaking English. And sometime I watch your video. When you ask something anyone in video, that time I pause the video. I try to explain. I try to answer in my way, and it is very helpful for me. So, ma'am, that's why I am told you, ma'am, always use simple word, because I can understand. Even I have no proper time, I reading and I do anything such type of thing, and Listening is the only one thing that is I can do, because I have no sometime when I can
Yes.
work from duty, that time I feel nervous, exhausted, feel down. So washing is the
Hmm.
only way that can I use it to improve my speaking English.
Oh, I'm so glad that I am able to help you, because listening practice is one thing that we can all do some way or the other. Maybe when we are traveling or when we are doing some other work, we can just put on the earphones or put some conversations
Yes,
and
ma'am.
listen. Listening practice is excellent. And also, one very good thing that you told is whenever I ask a question, you pause the video and you answer it. So
Yes,
that's a very good activity, because it is kind of you're practicing with yourself, and then you can verify your answers, how you answered versus the person who is talking to me.